Okay, so this is the new exercises that I've gotten from the doctor from 11 days until for 3 weeks. So yeah, exercise band above the knees. And then you want to make sure the leg is very straight and kind of flex it. You're engaging the quad. You're going straight up. So let's do 20, like 3 sets of 20. I'm not going to show you all 3 sets. I'm going to just show you 1 set each. Then the next one is you're laying on your side. And so there's a slight angle. It's not a 90-degree angle, it's a slight angle the first time. So, okay. And you're just lifting that upper leg. You're doing that 20 times, and then you want to bring your leg up to 90 degrees. I go slightly under 90 degrees because I'm not allowed to go over 90 degrees, so I go just about 90. And then I do another 20. Firing all these muscles here. Okay, so then you roll over to your belly, and let me see if I can show you my feet. Hold on. Scoot up here. Okay, so you want to make sure like your foot is flexed, and you tense this leg, and then you go straight up. Okay. So those are the ones with the bands. Again, all of these are 20, and you do three sets. And you just want to get something. I use a sarong. You can use a towel. You can use anything that's like a stiff material, no flex in it. So you want to. How am I gonna get all of this? Here. Let me do this. Probably should be like this, I think. Okay, so it's around your foot, and you're gonna go up. So your foot stays flexed. Foot stays flexed. You have these in two different hands, not the same hand. This leg comes down, and then you want to just pull on these. You want to keep your leg as straight as possible, and you want to come and you just really want to stretch this hamstring. I hold it for about 15-20 seconds or so, and then you go to one side. And the awesome thing is you feel it all through here. And you just have to make sure you keep your leg as straight as possible still. And then you want to go out the other direction. And you hold it, and you pull up a little bit to the point where stretching. And forward. So that is all the new stuff that I got this last week. I still do the series that I did a video on. I still do those before this, and I do the full set. I'm up to 2 full times of 20 each of everything. Tomorrow I'll probably add a 3rd set because we're building up to get to 3 sets of 20 on every single exercise. So good luck. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, if I can answer them, I will. I'm not a physical therapist. I just thought I would share to support people on their road to healing, because I know that's really important. I am 13 days out of surgery. So I started doing these exercises on day 11. Yeah, so good luck. Take care. I hope this supports you. Ciao.